Good morning, students. Today we are here solving the question answers of book question of chapter 5 decision making statement. So here first we are solving question number 5, and the question is: an employee is entitled to pay an income tax based on his gross annual income as per given below. So the annual income is less than or equal to 1 lakh, then tax will be nil, or annual income is greater than 1 lakh and less than equal 1 lakh 50,000, then tax will be 10% of exceeding 1 lakh. Third condition, if the annual income is greater than 1 lakh 50,000 and less than equal 2 lakh, then this will be tax will be 5,000 plus 20% of exceeding annual income 1 lakh 50,000. Or if the annual income is above 2 lakh, so the tax will be 15,000 plus 30% of annual income exceeding 2 lakh. So here this is the solution of that. Void input, we are inputting here the income, and double tax variable is for storing a tax. So if the annual income is less than equal 1 lakh, so tax will be nil 0.0. Or if the annual income is greater than 1 lakh and annual income is less than equal 1 lakh 50,000, then tax will be income minus 1 lakh into 10.0 upon 100. So this will be exceeding 1 lakh 10%. Next condition is if the income is greater than 1 lakh 50,000 and income is less than 2 lakh, so the tax will be 5,000 plus income minus 1 lakh 50,000 into 20.0 upon 100. So this will be the 20% of exceeding 1 lakh 50,000. And there is the last condition. So if the income is greater than 2 lakh, then tax will be 15,000 plus income minus 2 lakh into 30.0 upon 100. And here we are printing total payable tax is equal tax. And the next question is, this is the question of nested if else. The pension rule of a certain country states that a man is receive 50 rupees a week if the year is greater than 65, and extra 20 will be get if he is over 70 year, and a woman receive 45 a week if C is greater than 60 year, and extra will be 25 if C is over 65 year. So write a program which will input a gender M for male and F for female and age of a person, and print the output based on the following. So here we are inputting class demo void input integer age and character gender. We required only two variables. So if a gender is a male, and inside that we are checking if the age is greater 70, so the pension will be rupees 70, or if the age is greater 65, then pension will be 50. Otherwise this will be not in pensionable age. Second category, if the gender is a female, then there is a condition: if age is greater 65 years, then pension will be 70 rupees. If the age is greater 60, then pension will be rupees 45. Otherwise this will be not in pensionable age. Or if the user is input other than the value of F and M, then the system will print a message invalid input. And next question is calculate the library charges or library fine for the following week's returns. Following are the conditions. First 5 days the fine will be 40 paise per day. In 6 to 10 days the fine will be 65 paise per day, and the above of 10 days fine will be 80 paise per day. So write a program which input the number of days late and print the fine. So here we required class demo void main input days, and we are taking a variable fine for calculating in double because the fine is in passe. So if the days is less than equal 5, then fine will be days into 0.40. So this will be the 40 paise per day. And the next condition is if the fine is greater equals if the age. So if the days is greater equals 6 and days is less than 10, so the fine will be first 5 days we will calculate the 0.40 plus days minus 5 into 0.65, and next above 10 days, so the fine will be 5 days 40 paise per day and 5 days 65 paise per day plus days minus 10 into 0.80. So here we will printing the total fine. Similarly, there is the question number 10. In this question we are inputting a consumer number and the number of unit, and the fine will be calculated based on the following conditions. So if the units is less than equal 100, then there will be a no fine till 100 unit. Or if the unit is goes more than 100 and limit is a less than equal 300, so this will be greater next 200 above from 100. So the bill will be unit minus 100 because till 100 unit there is a no bill, and this is the rate is a per 1.0, and unit is greater 300 and unit is less than 500. So first 200 unit will be 1.0 and units minus 300 into 1.55, and there is the last condition ke above 500 unit what will be your fine. So first 200 unit will be 1.0, then 200 unit will be 1.55 plus unit minus 500 into 2.10, and there is the fixed rental. So bill equal plus bill plus 250, and now we are printing the consumer number equal CN and total bill equal bill.